Hello, welcome to Dacotah's studio. Come on in.
All right, so welcome everybody. This is our humble abode. This is our backyard. You know, as designers, Tina and I have spent hours designing and thinking about this backyard. We've worked with Trex and have installed this beautiful Lineage product. We really enjoy the minimal aesthetic that the backyard brings here. This California culture is all about indoor-outdoor living, and Trex embodies that for us here in our backyard. Before we had a redwood deck in here, and I'll be honest, every year I was out here sanding and restaining, I just got sick and tired of it. I wanted to spend more time with my daughter, with my wife, and enjoy the backyard instead of being out here laboring.
As parents and small business owners, we have enough to think about, and it's just nice to have such a nice deck in our backyard that we don't have to worry about. We don't have to think about a year from now restaining it or any of the other things that you could run into with a natural wood deck. It's so great having this composite material in our everyday life.
We really love the Carmel color of the deck as well.
We love traveling from LA to Carmel, and it was just a natural pick that this Carmel color suited our lifestyle so well. Carmel is a wonderful place for inspiration for us with the beaches and the architecture, and this color really mimics that for us.
One of the amazing features about this deck in particular is that it is long and linear. These deck boards come in 20-foot lengths and invite an opportunity to be able to span large distances with no seams. The low maintenance aspect of this deck and the product is fantastic. We have a 4.5-year-old daughter and a dog, so it only made sense for us to have something that was not only low maintenance, splinter free, and was just a breeze to clean.
And we can really make a mess on here and not have to worry about how hard it is going to be to clean. It's just easy, spray it down with the hose, and you're good to go.
It really is a simple product to live with.
We really enjoy also that this Lineage line has those heat mitigating properties. So you can sit here and it's cooler to touch, it's cooler under the sun. It's just a wonderful line to be able to enjoy in this warm California sunshine.
Another aspect of this deck that we really like is that it won't turn into termite food. Here in California, we've got termites, right? It's just inevitable, it's gonna happen, but not with Trex. When we were installing this deck, we were really looking for a seamless transition, and we achieved that by using the fastener system that Trex offers. They also have a plug system, which is fantastic. Utilizing the plugs allows us to conceal and cover up any of the screw heads. The color match is great, and they live flush with the deck. We love the linear grain and the length of this material as well. Again, it's the full system that Trex offers that really does make a huge difference.
The other thing that's nice is in a traditional deck, you're going to have those screws. Some of those screws start to pop up. You can snag your dress, your socks, your shoe. There's no screws. It's just all integrated into the deck and it's seamless. I really like also how the lights are just flush with the deck board, so nobody's going to trip over it. It's just really flush and seamless.
The Trex deck really offered an opportunity for us to have a really low maintenance product, but still an elevated look that we really appreciate.
They've really thought about everything. So, welcome to the Trex family.
All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.